Hi everybody! Today I'll show you how to make charlotte cake but with blueberries, not apples. You need 300 grams of blueberries, 3 eggs, a cup of sugar, a cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. First, beat your eggs with a mixer. When the eggs are beaten well and increased in volume, gradually add your sugar. The next step is to sift flour, baking powder and salt. Now gently mix everything. Add sour cream and mix until the batter is smooth. If you don't want for your berries to drown in butter, add 1 tablespoon of flour and spread evenly over blueberries. Lay out a half of your butter. It's time for your berries. Lay out blueberries and spread them evenly. Add the second part of the butter and even it out. Bake the cake in a preheated oven for about 40 minutes. If you use frozen blueberries, bake it a little bit longer, for about 50 minutes. And do not open the oven for the first 30 minutes or your cake may not rise. And here it is! Your charlotte cake with blueberries is ready. Bon appétit!